Hello, everyone. I'm going to share some information about GoOpenNC. I went to a session with NCDPI and Johnson County when I went to NC Ties, and Johnson County decided to identify priority standards primarily for social studies and science and use GoOpenNC and their vetted resources to build curriculum or house curriculum. So this could be a digital option for you all to identify some supplemental resources as we face our pandemic. So to go to GoOpenNC, you've got the hyperlink, and you're going to log in using your NC Ed cloud account information. And that's your big 10-digit number. So once you go through that login process, and mine went automatically because I have done that once already, it'll open up on the screen. So you can do a key term. You could just search by subject, perhaps science, grade level, and you can even drill down to standard. So if I'm just looking to see what they've got in terms of 9th grade science, there are 2,740 results. I can further drill that down to look for, say, biology or chemistry, or let's say earth science. And there are ratings because these have been vetted, and you can explore resources through a pretty intuitive menu. The other thing I wanted to share was that groups can create hubs. So I just toggled over to this Johnson County hub, and this reflects their priority standards. So you can see they've built it out for high school for science and social studies. And there's also some information for project-based learning. So if we wanted to, say, tour what they had pulled for social studies, you wouldn't need to join the group. These are all open resources, and you're not obviously from Johnson County. But if you were interested in world history and what they had pulled for their priority standards, you could pull these resources out and use them. So again, GoOpenNC is a free resource. It's under Creative Commons. You can check the permissions in terms of utilization, but it could give you some supplemental materials if you needed to look at things a little bit differently as we deal with our coronavirus situation here. So that is what I have for you in terms of GoOpenNC. Check it out. I've used Screencast-O-Matic with the little video window in the bottom. When I do the Discovery Ed video, I will not have the video in the bottom, just so you can see the two versions. Thank you.